Kulula ukuthola inkinga. Sibhalele impela sanibona. No, I think uthina umbuzo ukubheka inkinga esinazo i-permission mhlawumbe basukuba ke ama-solutions esingase siwa propose ukuthi mhlawumbe as a response to lezo inkinga. So sibheke ngokuhlanisa kathathu sithe social kube is more economical and then spiritual. So sibuye kanjalo three dimensions and then ama-solutions akhona. So under social sikhala kakhulu declining of ama-parishioner numbers, ama-parishioners ethu amakholwa yadecline kakhulu, and lokho that is due to i-pandemic kade affecteke umhlaba wonke. So nathi sithintekile. So that is inkinga yokuqala. And then inkinga yesibili indlala. Abantu balambile mhlawumbe sibone nangoluthi indlela kade kwenzeka ngayo ukuthi almost wonke umuntu uluthile. So sinenkinga yendlala lento esontweni. And then two, sibe ama-outreach asinawo ama-programs mhlawumbe leyade siyenza nje siphumele emphakathini bekuyokuqala sihamba sirotate emphakathini. So ama-outreach programs kuyibandla liphumele emphakathini libonakala ukuthi ke liyizandla ngempela zikaNkulunkulu ezibonakala nje kade echaza ufada eqaleni kwelesession. And then base sibheka ngokwezomnotho economical challenges esinawo. Ngaphansi kwezomnotho sibhekile ukuthi ke i-unemployment as much as ikhulunywa ngayo ngaphandle but nathi esontweni siyabona ukuthi akusafani njengakuqala ukuthi ke bekulula mhlawumbe mas-fundraiser sibheke within isontweni. So i-unemployment iyashaya ukuthi ke kwezinye izinto as much as umuntu ethanda but ngenxa yokuthi ke akanalutho uzosaba ukusondela phakathi kwabanye abantu including nokuya esontweni. Then masuba i-challenge yasemathuneni, I think sekuyi-issue leyo esesikhulume ngayo isikhathi eside, and umasipala is also ukhuluma ngayo le ndaba ukuthi ayisekho indawo yokungcwaba. So sinaleyo challenge ukuthi nathi asinayo indawo yokungcwaba. We need to respond kulokho ukuthi how do we maintain amathuna akhona and how can we look ukuthi ke indawo yokungcwaba siyenza kanjani namabhili lawa ke adalwe i-COVID agcine sekhuza phezulu iy'mali zakhona. So ne-maintenance in general ngoba ngiyabona uma uhamba even nasesontweni ukuthi cha kuningi ongakukhomba ukuthi ke akukho well maintained. So kuyi-challenge nalokho. And then mase kuba ke indlela yokubheka kwemali engenayo esontweni ukuthi ke over the years alibanga khona ushintsho oluningi ukuthi imali siyithola kanjani. So that is the challenge yasilimaza lento ngoba ubheka ama-factors ade ngwabala ngasenhla they also influence eqoqweni kwemali ukuthi if you are still looking at amakhono ngizwile you also mentioned that point ukuthi ubheke emakholweni uqoqa imali akusasebenzi. So that is a challenge. And then spiritual sibheka kakhulu ke kwezokufundiswa kwezokholo ukuthi as much as singabheka kwi-youth but kufanele sibheka khona nasey'nganeni nakubantu abadala in general ngoba khona abanye thothi abafisi ukungena endleleni mhlawumbe esekwenziwa ngayo manje. Mhlawumbe for isibonelo nje kunomkhuleko lo kuthiwa ushiwo uma kuzomukela but ke siyawusho sonke sithi Nkosi uJesu siqhubeke. So kuthi ke then how can we introduce ukuthi abantu bafundiseke ngempela ngelithi nje ibandla nangendlela esekwenziwa ngayo nabantu baliqonde iqinisa and so on. So kwikhathi ekusima sidinga more improvement. So ukuze lokho ke kulokho okunye and then basuka amaziko ukuthi we need to revive amaziko kuyalekha kakhulu and sibonile futhi sifuna ukucoordinate ama-efforts to respond ema-floods ukuthi sibe ne-challenge ngamaziko ethu ukuthi ayisekho well oiled machine ezocoordinate kalula. So that is inkinga enye. And then masukuba yona-ke lenye inkinga abantu abayibandakanya emiseni eliyingcwele ngokuphelele. Njengoba sishilo ukuthi thola enye isection yacula enye isection ayiculi. So konke lokho kuyi-challenge ekumele sikwazi ukuthi how can you respond khona. So kuma-solutions under social, njengoba sengibani ukuthi-ke we need to involve ama-sodalities and also to create ama-committees even for amaziko, have ama-committees azokwazi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi ezama-social challenges sikwazi ukuthi how can we better respond kuzona, and also sikwazi ukuthi-ke abantu within esontweni abanama-skills thizeni sibasebenzisa kanjani, nabantu abasebenzayo ey'nkampanini thizeni sibasebenzisa kanjani, because ngeke sihlushwe i-econ but we have umuntu odila nama-econ esontweni. So we need to have that partnership, and also kuma-stakeholders ukuthi sine-challenge endlala la, then ubani singakhuluma naye ukuthi asisize ngale project lapho lesifisukeni. So we need to form that relationship kade sesiqalile ukuthi have ama-partnerships, have ama-relationship with external stakeholders azokwazi ukuzosiza la. And also enye issue engayimentionanga ngale under social indaba ye-security esontweni ukuthi-ke if singa-creator that atmosphere ukuthi thina as ama-parishioners siba ama-custodians ani asesontweni ukuthi into eyenzakala esontweni thina siresponda kuqala, mhlawumbe engaka-respondi even nanamaphoyisa noma i-contract esuke ibekiwe, but for i-security kube i-concern yethu sonke ukuthi how do we respond better kwizinto ezenzakalayo esontweni, so kube i-parish kube yethu. And then under economic kula ma-challenges esinawo we propose ukuthi-ke bese siqalile asiqhubekeni ama-workshops azokhuluma ngani ezamabhizinisi, ama-career expo, ukusherisha kolwazi, ama-networking sessions azokwazi to better facilitate ukuqalwa kwamabhizinisi, ngoba thotha omunye umuntu into iyamfula kanti omunye uyakwazi ukuyenza. Mhlawumbe omunye uyakwazi ukurejista ibhizinisi, mhlawumbe mina ngiyakwazi ukurejista ibhizinisi ngamsiso, ukusherisha kolwazi amongst each other, and then sibe nanama-ongoing workshops akhuluma ngamabhizinisi nama-career expos kuzosiza lokhu ukuthi to better respond to ama-economical challenges esinawo. And then ku-spiritual nakhona futhi-ke we are also looking at ama-ongoing workshops for abakhathekisi ukuthi internally as much as sifisa ukuthi-ke abayishumayele le ndaba yokholo better, but how do we empower abantu abafundisa ukholo to better respond or benze lokhu esifisa ukuthi bakwenze. Ngoba esinye isikhathi phela siyavolontiya ekufundiseni kwezokholo ngoba samakhatholiki, kodwa-ke ulwazi siyalidinga ukuthi kube khona ama-ongoing workshops, and then ne-budget baxhaswe iy'nsiza kufundisa ngoba azikho as much as ufuna ukukhuluma ingane ifuna ukubona isithombe, yabo, so into ey'kanjalo. And then-ke base kuba yibona ukuthi-ke amaziko nawo siwavuselela kanjani amaziko, siwagqugquzele ukuthi mhlawumbe kube khona amamisa, kube khona imikhuleko eyenziwayo ngey'godi ngama-area for amaziko. So we believe ukuthi ngawonke lezi ndlela if singakwazi ukuthi siyiqale silokhu sizenza kancane kancane singaresponda better to ma-issues esinawo socially, spiritually or economically. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Obeshini babumhlobo bathi inkinga yiningi.